Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we are diving into a fantastic tool that's making waves in the educational community. It's called PDF Candy. If you're a teacher looking for a stress-free way to manage your documents, you are in the right place. Let's explore how this AI integrated PDF tool can simplify your life with over 82 different operations. Don't worry, I'll share the link in the description. Whether you need to compress, convert, split or edit PDFs, PDF Candy has got you covered. So you can easily edit your PDF documents, which is perfect for updating lesson plans and exam papers. You can also convert your PDFs to Word or Word to PDF. You can manage your pages. You can split PDFs, delete pages, and even add header and footers to your documents. Now let's put PDF Candy to the test. I have an AQA history exam paper here as a sample, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to edit. So let's upload our PDF. So click add file. So you can see here on your screen it is an AQA sample paper, and look how easy to change it. Just click here and you can change whatever you want. For example, I'm going to change it here. Rewrite. So simply you can click here, or you can delete also, for example, if it is not required. You can also move the components anywhere. You can change the color if you want. So you can add your school name or logo. I'm adding a logo here. So I'm going to click image, add file. So it's very easy. You can see I have insert a logo. I can adjust a logo. So I change the color and I remove some components and I added some lines here. Similarly, you can also do some page operations. For example, page number 2 is not required. I need to remove this. I can also change the page numbers by just clicking on this, making it second. You can highlight the text. For example, I'm highlighting with the red color. You can insert any shape for marks, or you can edit that, the stroke size according to your requirements. You can insert arrows, insert an image, same like a logo I added, and so on. So there is one amazing AI feature here. So you can click on any word and you can click here AI tool. It can summarize, translate and rewrite for you. So for example, if you have any questions, you can ask AI to rewrite within the platform. I tried all the tools and found it really very fruitful. So once you finish your editing, so you can just simply export the file. I'm clicking here. It will take few seconds. So you can see my edited document. You can download simply. So now you can see on the screen my edited document is here. This is really amazing, very easy, user friendly, and you can perform your daily task without any hassle. Please try and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.